Guys, right here, we got the OpenRun Pro Mini. These are my favorite. I got the OpenRun Mini right here, but these are the OpenRun Pro Mini. These are awesome. These things get the best of the best SHOKZ technology, and they come in the mini size, which I prefer because it fits my small head a lot better. Boom! SHOKZ. Look at that SHOKZ case right there. These are the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro Mini with 10-hour battery life, IP55 water resistance, and these are the mini version. Boom! These are the beige ones. Those beige ones look good, guys. You got the nice big transducers right here because with the OpenRun Pro, you got the extra bass transducer, so it sounds really good. Extra bass for all people like the bass. You got the charging port right here, magnetic charging port. You got the power button, the volume buttons right there. Simple, easy. But it fits so well. Look, it closes the gap perfectly. This is a perfect fit. The OpenRun Pro Mini, it fits so good. I can run around with these things. These things don't fall off. These are the OpenRun Pro Minis, guys. I can wear sunglasses with these things. I can wear sunglasses and they sit right there. Bone conduction technology, so I can hear through the cheekbones right here. My ears open to the atmosphere, so I can hear the surrounding. It's very hygienic. I set it in my ear. I can hear the music because they vibrate my cheekbone. These things are awesome. These are the beige OpenRun Pro Mini right here. Oh yeah.